When we were putting together this new rolling TV stand, I was questioning how sturdy it was going to be because our TV is actually pretty large and heavy. But once we got it all set up, it feels surprisingly solid. And I mean, I still feel the need to be careful when I move it around. And I imagine if I gave it a good push, it'd probably fall over. But so far it's given me no reason to think it can't handle the weight of this TV. So that's good. And as you can see, here are the wheels that are on the bottom. And all you have to do is unlock them like this, and then the TV moves around really easily. It's also a pretty smooth roll too, which is nice. Now, there is one small thing I should point out, and this can probably be fixed with a little adjustment, but as you can see when I lock the wheels, it still moves a tiny bit. Now, this doesn't really affect me, so I'm not super concerned since I just have it sitting up against this wall, but I figured I should bring it up. Now, the whole reason I decided to go with this TV stand is because we're always rearranging this room, and I really like the idea of being able to move the TV around easily and without help. And so far it's worked out pretty well. Now, setting it up was really simple, and it has this universal TV mount on the back, which means it can hold a wide variety of TVs. Now, my TV is around 48 inches, and I'm not sure how much it weighs, but this TV stand says it can hold around 200 pounds, which is quite a bit of weight, so that's comforting. And well, this TV mount definitely has all the features I was looking for. A lot of shelf space, a simple look, universal mount, and wheels. But you know, I don't really love the way it looks in this room. It just doesn't really seem to fit in. But I do like it, so I'll probably end up just trying it out in a different room. So if you're looking for an affordable rolling TV mount that's also sturdy, then I'd say this one's a pretty good choice. And if you want to check it out, I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link in the description for you.